Hello everyone! Today I would like to share with you some example of a report based on HR data. As you can see here, we have information about number of holidays in different categories. In a data source, I have information about start date and end date. I don't have information about number of days, so I created a calculated column where I used a function dateDiff. So as a result, I have a proper number of holidays for each employee. So I use this calculated columns to show how many holidays has each employee, number of holidays by month, and number of holidays by type of absence. Everything looks fine, but if we take closer look at this chart, we can see some misunderstanding. Let's see how it looks in August. In this month we have 44 days, but one employee has started holiday in August and finished in September. But we don't have a September. Why? Because we have a relationship between table calendar and start date. So this number is assigned to the August. I would like to have information on this chart that employee Eugen Kogan has 8 days in August and 6 days in September. Now we can switch to Power Query Editor, where I can show you how we can solve this problem. This is Power Query Editor, and here in application table we can transform our data to achieve proper result. For example, here we have information about one holiday request. The start date is 11th of March and end date is 13th of March, and still it is one row. So after transformation we will have 3 rows for this particular request. How we can do this? In section add column, please choose custom column. You can call this column date for each day. Now we can provide some formula. Okay, then we can go click OK. We can see that no syntax errors have been detected, and new column has been appeared here in the end of our table. Now we can expand this column clicking by this icon here, expand to new rows. And as a result, the value should be transformed to the date format. So we can go to transform selection and choose date format. Okay, and go back to our 63 holiday requests. Yes, we have 3 rows for this particular holiday requests. After changes, we can go to close and apply and back to our report. After changes, we have incorrect values in column days because currently we have a duplicated records. So we will fix this later, and now we can go to the model view. Here we should change connections between these two tables, calendar and application. As I said before, we have a connection between these two tables using a start date from application table and date, column date from calendar table. So we can delete this connection and create the new one between column date and column date for each day. Here is this column. Now let's back to our report view. I already created a measure which is called number of holidays, and here I use summ-it function. So as a result you see this incorrect number, but based on our changes in Power Query and change connection in data model, we can a little bit change our measure. Instead of summ-it, I use function count-x, and as an expression I will use application ID, which is basically 1 day. So each row it is 1 day. Application ID, close the bracket and enter. We will see how it looks after changes. Yes, it looks definitely better. We can check based on August as at the beginning. So maybe not in August, but maybe September, because this month was not visible before. So in September we have 6 days. 6 days, and it means this number is correct, because here we have information that one employee has holiday which started in August and finish in September, and in September it is 6 days, so it is correct. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions regarding Power BI, feel free to contact us. See you later.